Hello everyone, my name is Shanmuka, a third year student of Kiet-Hub from Kiet-Hub. Today, I'm going to explain about Mern stack. Mern stack is one of the most powerful and popular technology in web development today, right? Imagine this, if you open an app or a website like Instagram, Amazon or WhatsApp, everything loads faster, looks beautiful and works smoothly. Do you know what makes these apps possible? It's technologies like Manstack. So today you will learn about what is MERN, why MERN, its components, use cases and its architecture, and how it will work with advantages and with examples also. So let's get start the video. So first, what is Manstack? MERN is a group of four powerful JavaScript-based technologies that help us to build modern, fast, and full-featured web applications. In the word MERN, M stands for MongoDB, and E stands for Express.js, R stands for React.js, and N stands for Node.js. Together, uh, they form a complete system for both front-end, back-end development. It is also called is a full stack JavaScript framework because here developers use JavaScript for everything from the browser to the server and even the database. That means we don't need to switch between different languages. Everything is done using one common language, that is the JavaScript. That is also an integrated technology stack. That means these four tools are designed to work smoothly together, helping developers easily build modern web apps like e-commerce, chat, or social media platforms. Now, you might be thinking, why do so many developers choose Manstack? Let's see the main reasons. First one is the rapid development speed. Second is the scalability and flexibility, and third one is the cost-effective development. Coming to rapid development speed, since JavaScript is used everywhere because it becomes the faster to build and test the process. Developers can also reuse the components and modules instead of writing everything again and again. And also, Man has a huge online community and libraries that makes development super quick. Coming to scalability and flexibility, Man can handle high traffic websites very well, like e-commerce or social media apps with thousands of users. It supports both horizontal scaling, means adding more servers, and vertical scaling, which is upgrading existing servers. And it can be deployed on many platforms like AWS, Vercel, like that. Coming to cost-effective development, all MEN technologies are open source, which means no license fee. It also saves time and cost because developers can work with one single language across all the layers. And since there are many MEN developers around the world, it's easier for the companies to hire and build teams also. Now, let's look at the heart of MEN stack. Means the four main components in which M stands for MongoDB. It is a database which stores all our data. It is a NoSQL database. What is NoSQL database? It means uh, the data is stored in JSON like documents, not traditional tables. It is flexible, high performing, and supports the advanced features like replication and sharding for handling large amount of data. Next, Express.js. It is a backend framework. Express is a small and fast web framework built on top of Node.js. It helps us to manage API routes, handle requests and responses, and apply middleware easily. It makes the backend development very smooth and structured. Coming to React.js, here it is a front-end library. React handles the user interface. It means what the user sees and interact within the browser. It is a component based. Component based means we can build small pieces of UI, the user interface, and reuse them. React uses the virtual DOM. Virtual DOM means it makes super fast and efficient. Coming to Node.js, it is a server environment. Server environment means it is a in Node.js, uh, it acts as a platform that runs the JavaScript on the server side. It is a event driven and non-blogging, which means it can handle many requests at once and perfect for scalable applications also. So, where is the MEN stack used in real life? Here are some examples. Uh, Firstly, we most probably use in social media platforms, e-commerce applications, and real-time chat apps. Coming to social media platforms, websites like Facebook or Instagram, um, where users can post, like, and share and comment, can easily build using Mer. It supports real-time updates, profiles, and notifications. And next one is the e-commerce applications. In this, online shopping sites like with product catalogs, shopping carts, payments, and order tracking can be made using this Mern. MongoDB can manage products and orders very easily. And finally, the real-time chat apps. Mostly real-time chat apps means like WhatsApp that or Slack can be built using this Mern, where messages appear instantly without refreshing the page. We can add like live notifications, file sharing, and user presence also. Now we will look into the Manstack architecture. Manstack has three main layers, which are the front-end, back-end, and database layers. In front-end layer, we use the React.js, which shows the app screen and update it instantly when the data changes. Coming to backend layer, here we use the Express.js and Node.js, which handles all the requests from the front end and checks the authentication and applies the business logic. And it also communicates with the MongoDB to fetch or store the data. And the last one is the database layer. Here we use the MongoDB because it stores all the app data like users details, product details, and messages, etc. And it also sends request data back to the server also. Now let's see how data flows in a Manstack application. First of all, user interaction. Here, the user clicks the buttons, fills the forms, or navigates the app. Next is the API request. Here, the React sends an HTTP request to Express backend using Fetch or Axios. Server processing. Node and Express process the request and checks the authentication, and they will talk to the MongoDB. Next, database response. Here, MongoDB sends the request data back to the Express and UI updates. Express sends JSON back to the React and UI will update instantly. For example, in a shopping app, when a user adds a product to the cart, it is stored in MongoDB and the cart updates immediately on the screen. Now, we will talk about the advantages and Manstack. Coming to advantages, there is an end-to-end JavaScript development, which means Mern uses JavaScript for everything. This because which makes it faster and easier, and we don't need to learn or switch between multiple programming languages also. Next one is the high performance. Here the React uses a virtual DOM, which updates only the part of the page that changes instead of reloading the whole page. This makes the application very fast and smooth. Next one is a strong community support. Coming to that, all four technologies, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node, have a large developer community. So if you face any problem, you can easily find solutions. And next one is the scalable. Man apps can handle more users and big applications easily. You can add more servers or upgrade the existing ones without changing the code much. Coming to the example, here users add the products to the cart. React here the React notice and sends the request to the backend. Next, the backend will receive the request and checks the data, and it will send to the MongoDB. And it will come to MongoDB, which is the database. Here it will stores the cart data and updates the inventory. Next, the backend, Express and Node combinedly, they will send confirmation back to the React. Next, React UI updates the cart instantly and shows product added. This shows how front-end, backend, and the database work together. Let's summarize everything about the Mern stack. Mern stack is completely full stack JavaScript framework. You can use the JavaScript for front-end, backend, and database all in one. It helps to build modern, fast, and dynamic scalable web applications also. Stack is flexible, cost-effective, and easy to scale. It is supported by a large community. So help and resources are always available. Perfect for startups, enterprise apps, social media, e-commerce, and real-time apps. Learning Learn gives a great career opportunities for the developers. If you want to become a full stack developer and build amazing web applications, Stack is the perfect choice. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.